In this video tutorial we're going to discuss combining resistances, beginning in the first part with resistors in series. So if I have three resistors in series like this, let's call them R1, R2 and unsurprisingly R3. If I'm interested in the total resistance of three resistors in series, it's a very simple relationship. The total resistance is just R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. Thus, to give an example, if I have, let us say 100 ohms, 50 ohms and 200 ohms, the total resistance would be R1 plus R2 plus R3, which in this case is 100 plus 50 plus 200 makes 350 ohms. Quite simple for resistors in series. Now we'll move on to the case with resistors in parallel, and I'm going to have three resistors in parallel. We're going to have R1, R2 and unsurprisingly R3. If I'm interested in the total resistance of these, R total, what I have to do is 1 over R total is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. If and only if we have two resistors, just R1 and R2, there is a cheat, I'll just put in brackets here, whereby we can calculate the total resistance by doing the product over the sum of the two resistors, but this, it should be pointed out, is only valid for two resistors. Let's do an example. So, for example, if R1 is 8 ohms, R2 is 4 ohms, and R3 is, let's say, 2 ohms, then 1 over R total would be 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2, and a little bit of maths there, we can say that R total would therefore be 1 over 7/8, or indeed 8/7. But of course we wouldn't put that, we would never leave it as a fraction, we would always calculate it to an appropriate number of significant figures, and not forgetting the units, ohms.